Hello Tikkies, welcome to our another video series of Excel automation using Power Automate Desktop. In this video, we will learn about delete row from Excel Worksheet Action and delete column from Excel Worksheet Action. So let's open Power Automate Desktop and see these all actions one by one. After this, we will also see the practical example. So now I am on add. Let's create a flow. Just click on new flow plus icon to create a new flow here. After this, in flow name section, you can mention your flow name as per your project requirement, like Excel automation, web automation, file and folder automation, and so on. And after this, just click on create button and just wait for a while. Here your flow is generated. Here you can see your flow has been created successfully. Excel web file folder desktop automation. Let me explain about all parameter of this action. So our first action is delete column from Excel worksheet. Here you can also just type delete column from Excel worksheet in action panel. You can find your action in advanced section. So I have already drag and drop here for both action, delete column from Excel worksheet and another one is delete row from Excel worksheet. So let me explain all parameter of delete column from Excel worksheet. Here you can see our first parameter is Excel instance and second one is delete column. Here we can mention as per your requirement. If you want to delete a column B, C, D, E, F and so on, you can just mention. Here I am mentioning B because I want to delete column B. Here you can see in Excel spreadsheet, I have added one column here and column name is B and I want to delete this column. That is why I am mentioning here column name B because I want to delete column B. So our delete column from Excel worksheet action parameter is completed. So our next action is delete row from Excel worksheet. Here in this action delete row from Excel worksheet, delete row parameter is here you can mention your index number. If you want to delete a record as a row, you can mention your row number. Here you can see I am deleting row 7. That is why I am mentioning here delete row field. I have mentioned 7. So our second action is also completed. So after running this flow, you can see guys, delete this row and this column is deleted. So let's run the flow and see what is the output of this flow. For our time saving, I have already created a flow for this. I am using launch Excel to open this file challenge.xls, and after this I am using delete column from Excel worksheet and delete row from Excel worksheet, and after this I am using close Excel. In close Excel parameter, I am here before closing Excel I am selecting save document. So just click on save and let's run and see the output of this flow. So I am running this flow. You can see your flow has been executed successfully. So let's open Excel spreadsheet and see the output of this flow. Here you can see guys, column B is also deleted and column and row 7 is also deleted. So I hope you understood about delete row from Excel worksheet action and delete column from Excel worksheet action. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video.